start with some liquid clear. Phthalo green, phthalo blue, Prussian blue and some black. I'm going to go into this green first. We'll just go somewhere over this area. We'll scrub that in. Now let's go into some phthalo blue. This is the phthalo blue now. I'm just going to go sort of around sort of the outside of that. That's the phthalo blue. Over here. I'm going to do all this blue. I'm just going to add different colours on top here. Got a little bit green up there at the moment, the phthalo blue. Let's go into this green. Quite a nice bit of green here in this. And I'm just going to scatter some about. Going around here, maybe a bit up there. Just splashing in some colour. Right, just blend all that out. Bit of Prussian blue up here. Bring that in a little bit. And right up into the corner. And just a little spot of black up in the corner here. Just darken some of that up. Pull that through. Some white here. Grab myself a fan brush. We'll just throw this in and just see what happens. Just make some interesting little things going on here. I'm going to go to about there, I think, something like that. And we're going to blend this out. Just make a nice little sky here. Some nice looking clouds. Just have that disappearing off over there. Okay. I'm just going to pull some of that colour in just to, like I see, I'm just pulling that colour across just to lighten that little bit of sky there. It's amazing how you can just pull these paints across and do stuff. A little spot here, okay? Just a little spot. This will make sense later on in the painting, I hope. Something, just some little ones maybe. Just something that we can see. Sort of at an angle. We're going to add all different things to these. So I'm going to just make all these different things. Patterns and stuff. And we're going to come back in here and pull this down and blend it out. Hopefully it will all sort of come together. Okay, something like that, going off quite dark. So I'm going to pull this out. So these are going to be big ones. Something like that. Smallest amount of mist at the top of this one. Very, very gently. Right, very gently. Just the top of this little wave here. I'm just creating like a little bit of mist. Okay, now let's see what this looks like with some fresh white on top. We can just add some little splashes and stuff here. This is obviously the top of the wave. We can work some more on that. That's looking quite nice already. I like that. And we're going to go very gently mist this out. Oh, that looks good. Don't forget to go and check out the website, guys. There's a big sale on. There's some of my stuff really cheap. Free UK postage. I ship worldwide. You know, so you have them little splashes coming over. Sort of swoop down towards this way. Dark in there, not too light. We can do a little bit of mist somewhere in the background. The wet on wet technique. I I'm using and just having some fun with it. Okay. And then we're just going to put a little tiny bit on these ones over here that we kind of might see there. Whereas we could just sort of bring this one here, just a little bit of, so we could do a nice big bit there, and we'll blend this out. Coming down here, there, just going off into nothing. I'm gonna pull this one, maybe it comes sort of that way, that one, you know? So we can just create all this little thing here, and then it just disappears down in front of that one or something. Maybe just leave a little bit of dark there. Right, this one I'm just gonna do some different patterns here. Maybe just sort of down into the corner. I'm twisting the brush here basically and getting all these little things that we can sort of blend out. Just blend them out. This is sort of coming towards us and away from us over here. So pull this one sort of straight down. Every painting that you do, you kind of learn, and most importantly, have some fun, right? This is really fun, this is, I'll tell you. Just to show, that also shows the way the waves are going, I guess, so then obviously just blend them out just a touch. Even some a little bit dominant there. I want to make this a little bit lighter, okay, so just some patterns or whatever. Hit the wave there. This is going off into that black, the blue, the black here. I want it dark over here. Okay, that'll do, something like that. Got the black paint here. And I'm just going to lay a little bit of land or whatever that lives over here. Pull this down. I want it to go behind that wave, so just to about there. That's fine. Something like that. I want to lighten up the top of them, the top of that rock. So lighter. Let's go into that wave colour that I made. And a little bit of black, just like a grey colour here that we can just about see. So I just want to do just here and there. Just some little things that you might be able to see. There, just pull some of that down as well. Dark, I want this very dark, but I still want to see some kind of rock sort of shapes to this. Something like that. We can make out that they're rocks, right? Are you enjoying yourselves, everyone? Please tap the screen. Can we get to 5k? Please share to everyone on your phone. Just got a little bit of light here, a light coming out here, so we're just gonna sort of do that sort of thing, I think. Just not a lot, but just a tad. Just hit it coming across there. I want a little bright spot first, so I'm going to put a little bit in there. Just play it. I'm just going to move this around just so it's sort of up and across like a little glow there. I'm keeping it quite white. Have a little bit coming that way. Yeah, just go into this black. We'll probably use some grey here and there. But yeah, I'm just going to build up this shape now. I'm just going to make a little thing here. Okay, you can see that that's going to be a lighthouse. Do you sell them? Yes, my website's here. Visualfusions.co.uk. If you want to buy this one, you can go to my website right now. Visualfusions.co.uk. Type in. Okay, so I'm going to go. Maybe there's a little sort of balcony thing there. But just do a simple little outline there. Go around there. And we'll just do the little bits of glass in there. This paintbrush is good. I haven't used this one before. Like an old-fashioned sort of lighthouse, you know. Just pull that down there. Across there, do a little sort of thing there. There were some good names in there. Light of Hope. This is 30 by 40 centimetre, and that's on a stretched canvas. And this is oil paints. And this is painting number 357. Today's date's the 10th of the 7th, 24. Here's my signature, guys. There we go. See, it's a what I'll do is I'll paint these edges black again around the side, and that'll tidy it up. A bit like that side, that's quite neat. But yeah, just to, at the end I will just paint them black when it's dry. Simple bit of acrylic, and then that's ready to hang up on the wall. And then the certificate will go on the back, just there. We know what it is anyway, so I didn't do too bad of a job. Lighthouse makes the painting. Thanks, Dylan. Yeah, quite nice, isn't it? A nice little old sort of, I don't know, it's just painted it, just painted it. There's many different kinds of lighthouses, but that one just came to my head. Yeah. A nice bit of mist in there. There we go.